Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Riot Client. To start the process, right-click on Riot Client. Here, click on Delete. After that, open your This PC. Then click on Desktop from the left dashboard. As you can see, the Riot Client has not appeared on the desktop. Now go to the search bar. Here, click on Add or Remove Programs. Now scroll down and click on Riot Client. Then click on Uninstall. Click on Uninstall. You see that the Riot Client is still not uninstalled, so you need to close this tab first. Again, go to the search bar. Here, click on Add or Remove Programs. Then scroll down and click on Riot Client. Now click on Uninstall. Click on Uninstall. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe and share.